Seisan is preparing to make a Futamaki Jr., which is one of the most popular sushi rolls in America. He covers the bamboo mat so the rice does not stick to the mat, and also for cleanliness. First, he places the seaweed down and spreads on a handful of rice evenly. Then it is topped with sesame seeds. Flipping it over, he now puts one strip of wasabi on the seaweed. Then he puts on pickled vegetables, carrot, avocado, spinach, and egg. Now he rolls it firmly to make the square shape. Seisan is now making his favorite signature sushi, called the rainbow roll. He places seaweed, rice, and wasabi on the same way he did with the Futamaki Jr. roll. Salmon, avocado, and scallions are added, then rolled into the square shape. Then he wraps the roll with pieces of fresh salmon, tuna, yellowtail, and avocado. Then he reshapes the roll and cuts it into bite-sized pieces. This is called the rainbow roll because of the variety of colors in the fish. It has the sweetness of yellowtail, smoothness of salmon, juiciness of tuna, and the soft freshness of avocado. What Seisan tries to create is called a sushi boat. The boat includes garnish, California rolls, rainbow rolls, and a variety of sashimi and sushi. Sashimi is a raw fish without rice. It is cut into a biteable size which you can eat with soy sauce and wasabi. The red ones with rice are tuna sushi. The yellow is yellowtail sushi. The orange is salmon sushi. The one with the tail is shrimp. Now he is making hand rolls. Some examples of hand rolls are eel hand roll, salmon skin hand roll, and tuna hand roll. Seisan arrives at his restaurant at 10 in the morning to prepare for the day. The first thing he does is change into his chef uniform. He wears a jacket called a happi. For Seisan, changing his daily clothes to his chef's uniform is kind of a daily ceremony. Seisan was born in Sapporo, Japan. He spent most of his childhood in Sapporo.
Kind of wholesale company. President of the company is a kind of, I feel like a father. I remember many times.
When he was working in a company in Japan, his boss was like his father, which is a typical relationship in Asian culture. All 6 workers stayed as a team rather than working on their own. They worked together and they played together.
And then 4 another member work together to one team. And then I go to some place with boss. Everything.
Hard work brought him his success. Most of all, the love of his work, so he says, is the key to his success.
That's all about the point is, I learned if you like, if you like a job more than sleep or eat or something, maybe you will be success. I think in Japan or here or everywhere same. Then I want to make that condition to me. I like to make sushi more than eat or sleep or something,
So what was the most difficult thing for you in America?
Yeah, of course, speak English.
Yeah.
To understand English. Another one is maybe
For Sei-san, like any other immigrants, the language barrier and different work ethic were obstacles. He was used to the culture that emphasizes less socializing during the work time.
I want to say like that, but I know this is.
But he found difficulties in accepting his workers spending so much time socializing than simply working. As he began to understand the different way of living in America, now he feels comfortable in working and talking together without sacrificing the quality.
Also, not so fast, Talking. My boss said, okay, you can talk. Don't stop your finger. Just moving finger and talk.
What do your customers call you? Your name?
Yeah, just say some. Kind of sous chef always working hard, so the short name is important. So in Japan, take-san, vinegar rice with something we call sushi. Like a California roll, also sushi. Like a piece of tuna sushi, also sushi. Sashimi is without vinegar rice. How to make vinegar rice is kind of important to get the taste of sushi. First, we wash rice and then put in the pan. And then before I start to cook, I have to wait at least 20-30 minutes. Then we start cook. Then after that, we have to wait 15-20 minutes. That time is the best time to make sushi rice.
In your language.
Thank you is arigato. And then how are you is maybe お元気ですか or こんにちは
How do you say goodbye?
さよなら
Arigato, Muto-san. Sayonara.
さよなら